Tired of time tracking and ready to ditch Clockify? Today, I'll show you exactly how to cancel your Clockify account, step by step, ensuring a clean break and proper data management. First, log into your Clockify account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the settings page. This is usually found by clicking on your profile picture or company name in the upper right corner, then selecting settings from the drop-down menu. Next, look for the subscription tab. Click on it. This section displays your current subscription details, including your plan type and billing information. Scroll down this page until you find the Cancel Subscription or Deactivate Account button. The wording may vary slightly depending on your subscription type. Click on it. A confirmation pop-up will appear, asking if you're sure you want to cancel. Read the information carefully, as it usually outlines the implications of cancellation, such as losing access to your data. Before confirming, Clockify may provide options for exporting your data if you want to keep a copy of your track time and project information. Now's the time to download it in a suitable format like CSV or Excel. If you are sure you want to proceed without exporting, click Continue. Finally, confirm your cancellation by clicking the Cancel Subscription or similar confirmation button. You might be asked to provide a reason for leaving, which helps Clockify improve their service. This is completely optional. And that's it. Your Clockify account is now canceled. Just remember to export your data beforehand if needed, and understand the implications of account closure by